Alright, so for today's video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, comment, like. But today we're gonna do the tint on the outlining of the tail lights today. So see all this up here? It's gonna like be all black. All this right here. That way you can get rid of this. Last video I did these here. So if you guys want to do the middle, the inside of the light, go check out my other video. So yeah, we're gonna do the outlining though today. All this too. This is gonna give it a nice look, meaner look. You know what I'm saying? All right, so here's the tint. About to peel it off for y'all. There's a little bit wind in my city, so I'm kind of scared to do this, but I'm doing this for y'all, so bear with me. The good thing about this this tint that you could just like, you can use your heat gun if you get like a lot of wrinkles. I'll put this away. Oh man, there's a lot of wind. I don't recommend doing this in the wind, guys, at all, because that's all bad. All right, so this is where I'm at. It's pretty hard to put this little strip on. Just have to have really good patience. You have to have a lot of patience. But yeah, it's getting there. It looks a lot like crap right now because I haven't heated it up or anything. I'm just like trying to mount it on there to get it all lined up. So yeah, I'll show you guys the results though. I just don't want to film it because it's going to be too long and you guys are going to be like, man, this video is taking too long to get to the point, man. So alright, so I'm going to hit you guys with that when I'm finished. Alright, so the driver's side is done. Check that out. And once again, I am a first timer for everything when I do this shit. So here's the difference. See the outlining? All this. And now let's see this. Let's see the difference on the passenger side. Oh yeah, big difference. All right, so here's the passenger side. Came out a little bit better than the driver's side, but I forgot to say in the beginning of the video, make sure you guys have a damn squeegee and a damn heat gun. That way you guys can tuck it, you know, tuck the tent inside. And I'm not really that finished right now. I'm gonna show you guys the results. But yeah, make sure you guys have a razor blade too. That way you guys can get all this extra stuff and then like tuck it in. So here it is, the final results, guys. What you guys think? You know, blacked out. Looks so clean. Let me hit the other side real quick. And then you know I gotta show you guys with the lights on though. Standing out now. If you guys will see this in person, like it looks way doper like in person. I wish I got a night view for you guys, but if I have time, I'll post up a short. That way you guys can see the full results of the tail lights, of the inner and the outer. My bad, inner and outer. So, all right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys do this to your guys' Jeep SRT or your Jeep Limited, whatever. And you guys just enjoy the fuck out of it. Take care.